In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customized active lists of customers in HubSpot CRM. This is a crucial skill if you're looking to streamline your customer management and engage more effectively with your leads and clients. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can have your list set up in no time. First things first, open your browser and head over to the trial guide in HubSpot, accessible via app.na2.hubspot.com. Now, if you're new to HubSpot or haven't visited this guide in a while, it's essentially a comprehensive resource walking you through various features and functionalities of the platform. Once you're on the trial guide page, you'll get an overview of what HubSpot offers, enhancing your familiarity with their tools. Now that we're on the trial guide, our next move is to click on CRM from the menu. The CRM module in HubSpot is where you'll manage and nurture customer relationships, and it's designed to help businesses efficiently organize marketing, sales, and customer service efforts in one place. Clicking CRM will direct you to the main dashboard displaying various options for managing your contacts. With access to the CRM dashboard, look for and click on Lists. This section is where you can view all your existing lists. Lists are an essential feature in HubSpot, as they allow you to segment contacts based on various criteria and keep track of different customer groups, improving targeted communication efforts significantly. After you've clicked on Lists, you'll be taken to a page that shows all available lists you have at the moment. Now, let's proceed to create a new list by clicking on the Create List button. At this point, HubSpot will present you with choices to sculpt your future list. One important note: when you create an active list, HubSpot automatically updates it every time a contact meets the chosen criteria. This dynamic feature ensures your lists remain current without the need for manual updates. As you begin to build your list, think about the criteria your contacts need to meet. This can be anything from behavioral activities like opening emails or visiting particular web pages to demographic information like age or location. You can also mix several criteria to create highly targeted lists. Once you've set your criteria, HubSpot will immediately start compiling contacts that fit these parameters into your active list. Remember, the beauty of active lists is their adaptability as they evolve with your data. If at any time you need to edit your selection criteria, HubSpot makes it easy to refine your active list for optimal effectiveness. And there you have it. You've now created a customized active list within HubSpot CRM. Well done on taking a significant step toward improving your customer relationship management and ensuring you're communicating with your audience as efficiently as possible.